Hey everyone, welcome back to Trailgater Travels. I'm currently in the Hoh Rainforest in Olympic National Park in Washington State, and I'm on the Hollow Mosses Trail, and there's an elk right there. So stay tuned. Like you saw in the intro, we are here at Hoh Rainforest in Olympic National Park. The easiest way to get here is a few miles south of Forks, Washington. And once you turn on off of Route 101, you're going to travel down an 18-mile road with beautiful views like this until you get to the visitor center. And then you can start doing your hikes. And here we go, we have a 4x4 elk, a Roosevelt elk named after Theodore Roosevelt during his campaign in Olympic National Park, trying to save the elk population.